Hello there fellow grower and welcome to my channel, The Late Grower. Nandito na naman po ako and this time I'd like to share with you yung mga pinapalaki kong chilies. Now last February 18, I uploaded a video wherein I showed my newly transplanted chili seedlings at eto na po sila ngayon after 3 weeks. Yan, yan po sila ngayon. Sorry for the noise. Dumadaan na naman po yung mga siga sa kalsada, yung mga tricycle. Now, in that video, last February 18, I had 20 cups of newly transplanted chili seedlings. But now, I only have 12. I lost some of them just right after being transplanted. Some of them wilted. And also, I lost a few from leaf miners. As you can see, from this leaf, this one was afflicted or damaged by a leaf miner. So, ang ginawa ko lang po, luckily I was able to control the spread. Kinurot ko lang ng kamay yung dahon para mamatay yung larva and luckily nag-survive itong dahon na to. Okay, but this one lost all of its leaves but one from leaf miner. So I just don't know kung magsusurvive pa itong isa na to. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, sabi nga. Now, one more thing that I'd like to share with you is if you'd noticed, I transplanted them in an 8-ounce cup and a 16-ounce cup. Okay? Now, one thing that I've noticed is that well, they were germinated all at the same time, transplanted all at the same time. They had the same size, same growth when I transplanted them. But look at the growth from those transplanted to a bigger cup. Look at this one. It's much bigger than those that I transplanted from the smaller cup. This one. It has more growth as compared to those in the smaller cup. And this is even if the cup is not yet root bound. Wala pa pong umaabot na root sa ilalim. Pero mas malaki na talaga agad ang diferensya pag sa malaking cup inilagay pala ang mga seedlings. Okay? So, actually all of those that I transplanted to a bigger cup grew faster than those in the smaller cup. So, lesson learned dito po, next time I transplant, I would be using a bigger cup. So, siguro, magandang sundin din ninyo yung ganitong pamamaraan pagka kayo na ang nagtanim ng buto. Now, there were those asking how and where I got the seeds. Yung pong buto nito, actually, yung siling labuyo, yung nabibili natin sa palengke, at yung siling makopa na sa palengke din nabibili, hinarvest ko lang yung buto nila and then pinatuyo ko sa isang platito, pinatong ko sa ibabaw ng ref and let it dry naturally. So air dry lang po siya. After 2 weeks na matuyo, ayan, tinanim ko na siya, pina-germinate ko na siya. So I germinated these seedlings, planted these seedlings February 5. And today is March 14, right? It's 14. So more than 1 month na po itong seedling ito, or 1 month after the germination. At ito na po yung size nila. Okay. Now I'm hoping to be able to grow these seedlings, and when they have reached their maximum limit in these cups, maybe I'll be transplanting them to this container. Okay, so I'll be using a bigger one. Okay, so aside from this siling labuyo and bell pepper, or wild chili and bell pepper, I'm also growing right now this type of chili, which is called siling demonyo here in the Philippines, here in Manila. But I think it is more of the ghost pepper type of chili. Okay, So maybe next time I'll be sharing with you another video about these seedlings. Okay, so that's about it for this particular video. Maraming salamat po, and keep on growing. Bye-bye!